Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will solve a problem with Gini indexing to draw a decision tree. Gini indexing, as the name says, it shows the impurity of a particular column, and this measure is one of the methods used to decide the optimal split from a root node, and subsequent splits. Formula is 1 minus summation of pi square. Let's take the same example we used in entropy and information gain. Suppose we have 3 columns: study, play, sleep. According to the hours activity we have to make a tree, and we have to decide either a student will able to pass or not. In our previous video we have calculated entropies for each column. Similarly here also we have to find Gini impurity also for each column. Let's calculate Gini indexing value between study and pass. There are only 2 classes, 1 and 0. We have 2 unique number in our study column, 5 and 6. So now there are only 2 time yes with 5 value and 1 time no, so probability of yes will become 2 divided by 3, and probability of getting no, it will be 1 divided by 3. Similarly with 6 value also. Now according to the formula it will be R4 by 9 for 5 number. Similarly for 6 value we are getting 0 after the calculations. Now we need one final value of Gini indexing. For that we have to find weight sum of that. The formula is number if instances multiply Gini index value divide by total number of value in that column. So as you can see, after the calculation we will get 1 by 3. Let's calculate between play and pass. We have 3 unique number in our play column, 4, 3, and 2. Similarly for that also we have to find weight sum after the Gini indexing. After applying Gini formula, we are getting 3 by 4, 0, and 0. And weight sum will be 3 by 8. Let's calculate between sleep and pass. We have 3 unique number in our sleep column, 8, 9, and 6. So our Gini indexing value will be 0 for each value in a column. Similarly weight sum will be 0. How to decide root node according to Gini indexing? For study column we have Gini index value is 0.33. For play column we have Gini index value 0.37. For sleep column we have Gini index value 0. Whichever column have lowest Gini value, it will be our root node. So in our case we have play column having lower Gini index value. So it will be our root node. After the root node we have split data according to values that was present in the column, which will contain 2 column. Now the question is how to slip that 2 columns. The answer is we have to perform Gini indexing again to split those column. And whichever column will have less Gini, make it second root for tree. Suppose we got lower index value of study between study and sleep in first section. Then we got lower index value of sleep both in second and third section. Then tree will be. So this is how we can make a decision tree with the help of Gini indexing. Subscribe for more videos.